I'm Nikki. And I'm Gabby. And today we're going to be doing a video where we play with makeup for summertime. Today we're going to show you guys how to do a summertime day look and how to transition that look into night. Gabby and I are really different. We're literally like night and day, so we figured we would show you guys night and day looks for the summertime. Okay, so I literally have no face makeup on. If you guys are doing your makeup with me, just do your face makeup routine right now. So I have my face makeup done and my eyebrows, so now it's time to get into the fun. I'm first gonna start with highlight since it is a summer look. I think highlight is the most important with a tan when you have no makeup on. I think highlight is essential to summer. So Sinful Colors has these amazing highlighter sticks. They're called face forward highlighters. I think I'm gonna go with the cream colored one, and I feel like it would go really good with my skin tone. And it is called Glow Potion. So let's see if this Glow Potion works because I'm trying to look super glowy for, oh my god. Do you see this? The places I always highlight when I want to wear not a lot of makeup is under my eyebrows, on the inner corners of my eyes, on top of my cheekbones, at the tip of my nose, and sometimes at the top of my lips, like where my Cupid's bow is. And let me tell you, this Glow Potion is working because I feel like I just like lit my face up. So Sinful Colors makes these amazing cream eyeshadows, and they're called Shady Babe Cream Eyeshadow Duos. So basically you get a stick with 2 colors in them. So these are all super shimmery metallic colors. They're perfect for summer. I'm leaning more towards this stick for the daytime look because it has this really pretty bronzy rose gold color. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add my cream eyeshadow. I like to apply cream eyeshadows to my finger and tap it onto my eyes. That's just my preference, everybody's different. This is in the color Enchanting. I'm loving also the look of a cream highlight with a cream eyeshadow. So now I want to add some color to my look because it is the summer. I feel like I've been staying super neutral and bronzy. So these are the Stop and Stare gel liners, and they also come in a purple, a pink, a light pink, but y'all know I'm going for the blue. I think it'll match my hair really well, and it'll be a nice pop of color with the bronziness I've been doing. I'm just gonna line my bottom lids since it's already statement enough. I think that'll be enough. This is so high pigment. And also because my eyes are brown, blue liner against brown eyes makes your brown eyes pop even more. I literally feel like a mermaid. So now I'm going to go into my Diva Lash Color Mascaras, and for this look, I think for the daytime beach look, I want to go a little more neutral because I am at the beach. So I think I'm going to go with this dark brownish purple mascara, and it's called Lashing Out. I think this will look really good against my rose gold lids. And then I'm going to use another mascara on my bottom lashes to bring out the blue and use the blue mascara, and I'm using it in the color Lash Splash. I'm really excited to try my Lash Splash mascara because it's just gonna make my bottom lids look even more blue. Bring on the blue. Wow. This literally matches my hair. Like, it's the exact same color. So I'm done with my makeup. I think it's so fun. It's colorful. It's perfect for the beach. It's still subtle, and I feel like it's very me. I feel like this look is making me feel so ready for summer. And you guys should totally try the color eyeliner pop at the bottom. It's like subtle, but it's still statement. I'm obsessed with it. All right, this is my daytime look. It's time to transition into nighttime. All right. So to go with my night look, I need to obviously change my makeup because this is daytime beach look. I need to do a nice night look to go out to the boardwalk, to go out and get drinks with my friends. I need to like spice this up. I think I'm gonna add a little more darkness to my eyes because that's like my favorite thing to do. So now I'm gonna go back into my Shady Babe Cream Eyeshadow Duo, and instead of using a light bronzy color for the beach, it's nighttime, so I'm gonna go in and use this really cool dark purple color, and it's in the color Glamorous. So I'm literally not even gonna take off the makeup I already did. I'm just going to add to it. So I'm gonna go over top with Glamorous. I'm all done. I love this look. I think I'm vibing so much with the dark eye. I love that I literally turned a daytime look into a nighttime look and they both look just as good. Alright, so I'm going to start with my face makeup. Now I'm going to use my Simple Colors Face Forward highlighting stick, and I'm going to be using the color Rose Glow because I'm more on the tan side and this is a very pretty bronzy rose gold color. It's a creamy formula and glides on easily, and I think this is better for summer because it kind of just sits on your skin and soaks in. I put some on my nose, like a little fairy, move down my bridge. So now I'm going to be using the Shady Babe Cream Eyeshadow Duo, and I'm obviously going to go for this pink shade, but before I get into that, I do want to take care of like the dry makeup first, and I'm going to add some bronzer into the crease of my eyes before applying that liquidy eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be using the color called Charming. It's like a really, really creamy formula. So now I'm using the Bold Brow Intense Effects. I'm going to be using this as eyeliner instead of using it for my brows. The brush application is super easy to use, especially for eyeliner if you want to get creative. It's such a unique product. I've never seen anything on the market like it, and it's very versatile. I feel like you could use this for a lot of different things. I'm going to be using the Stop and Stare Gel Eyeliner in the color Seductive. It's a great unexpected color, so I'm just going to put that underneath my eye. So I just tightlined my eyes with black eyeliner along with the other two cool eyeliners I'm wearing right now. And now I'm going to be using my Diva Lash Color Mascara from Simple Colors as well in the color Lashing Out. So it's like a dark purplish brown. They have really fun unexpected mascara colors and they're all super fun for summer. So that completes the eye. Now I'm going to go put my lips on. So that completes this daytime look. This is what I would wear to the beach or out with friends during like a summer day or a picnic. I think it's really summery and fun, but this is also a versatile look and I could switch this to a nighttime look real fast. Okay, so I want to transition this look into a nighttime look. So I'm going to start that off by just taking a dark eyeshadow color and applying it to the outer corners of my eyes. This is like a darker burnt purple color. Now I'm going to take my Shady Babe Cream Eyeshadow again from Simple Colors in the color Dazzling. It's like a dark silverish gray, maybe with like a hue of purple in it. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. I'm combining shades for added drama. I feel like the lavender pink color is going to shine through this and make it look super pretty. I'm going to take the same color and go underneath my eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Bold Brow Intense Effects as an eyeliner as well, but not the bronze color. This time I'm going to be using the metallic-y purple color. And this color is called Smoldering. Now I'm going to take a face forward highlighting stick from Simple Colors as well, and it's in the shade Get Lit. And I'm going to take a smaller brush and take this into the inner corners of my eyes and on the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to take my dark purple mascara again, and I'm just going to touch up the mascara I already had. So I'm finished with my night look. I feel like this is super cute for those summer nights when you just want to go out with your friends, go to a movie, go out, go clubbing, you know, regardless of the age. I feel like this is super fun. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. We wanted to show you simple ways how to transition daytime looks to nighttime looks. Comment down below which look you preferred. My night look, Gabby's night look, my day look, Gabby's day look. Also, thanks to Simple Colors for partnering with us for this video. If you guys like these Simple Colors products, they are all available on Amazon. It'll be linked right down below in the description box. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!